Episode 9, Propeller Maintenance. The Defender 20 Lite comes with the propellers pre-installed from the factory. If you need to replace a damaged propeller, follow these steps. First, you need to identify the default motor order, 1, 2, 3, 4, and their rotation directions. The rotation direction of the motors also determines the direction of the propellers. The factory configuration is, Motor 1 and Motor 4 rotate clockwise, CW. Motor 2 and Motor 3 rotate counterclockwise, CCW. The propellers on the diagonal motors will rotate in the same direction. Then, hold the motor to prevent it from moving. Use the other hand to grip the damaged propeller. Rotate the propeller slightly back and forth, then pull it outward to remove it. Next, lay the new propellers flat on a table. You'll notice arrows indicating the direction of rotation, CW, clockwise, and CCW, counterclockwise. Match the CW propellers with Motor 1 and Motor 4, and the CCW propellers with Motor 2 and Motor 3. When installing, ensure that the propeller logo faces up. Align the center hole of the propeller with the motor shaft and press it in securely. That's all for this episode. In the next video, we will introduce pre-flight check.